Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Thanksgiving. I just got back from my in-laws and just put my daughter down for a nap. Right now, I'm getting started on the Haitian mac and cheese as well as the American mac and cheese. If you guys watched my last Thanksgiving vlog, you know that I did Haitian mac and cheese as well as the American style as well. I'm not going to go in and show you guys the full ingredients because this is not a cooking channel. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the ending results. But I will say this, if you didn't watch my last Thanksgiving vlog, Haitian mac and cheese is extremely different. If you guys want a full detail on what it entails, definitely try Googling it or look it up on YouTube. But it's very different and it's very detailed. So you don't want to mess this up. So this is something where like, I had to be full focus. So I want to make sure like, okay, I'm focused in to make sure that the taste is good. You know, they tore it up last year. I want to make sure I keep the same vibe going. You know what I mean? So yeah, while my daughter is asleep, I probably got an hour and a half to be able to at least knock out all of it. I think I can. The good thing about all this is that I had already cut the bell peppers by accident yesterday, because when I made the Haitian stew chicken, which I forgot to take a picture of for my in-laws, I was so distracted that I diced the bell peppers instead of slicing them. So I have some bell peppers already diced, which is great because the bell peppers are usually what takes forever, as well as onion, which I have not diced yet. So before I go ahead and start rambling on like I normally do, let me go ahead and, you know, stop it right here. So it's already been 2 minutes since I've been talking, and I'll see you guys once, at least I'll show you guys once. I'm gonna just talk to you guys once everything is done because I don't got time. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I am all done. So all I gotta do is put the mac and cheese in here. So it's so good. It's so good, you guys. Oh my God. All right, so I'm about done with the American mac and cheese. It's a lot faster to do because it's not enough. We're not adding vegetables to that. So the sauce is good. I'm just waiting for the noodles to finish, which is about to be done in like a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to, girl, the Haitian mac and cheese looks so good. Like I was telling you guys, that shit tastes so good. Sorry, let me lower her. I'm trying to catch up on all the girlies vlogs today. It's 4 o'clock. Well, Thanksgiving's gonna be at my sister's house this year. So it's supposed to start at 5. Not only are we black, we're Haitian. So that's why I want to get here at a certain time. Like my daughter is still, I thought my husband would have been home by now. Booby, wakey, wakey. It's 4 o'clock and like, I don't like to let her sleep past 4, but the other parent isn't here to go get her upstairs. Anyway, wakey, wakey, pretty girl. Eat. Yeah, because I need her to go to sleep at a certain time, but she'll have fun later. Probably, being that she did sleep a little longer, what we'll probably do is let her stay longer with her for dinner. So by the time we get home, I can take her a bath. She should be extremely exhausted and then go straight to sleep. No, the noodles are falling. All right. So let's go ahead and put this in, and I'll show you guys how it looks before I put it in the oven. I done forgot to tell y'all that, tell y'all, child, I'm tired. I forgot to show y'all the American mac and cheese. This is how it looks. Just put it in the oven, 375. All right. I don't want y'all to get messed up in here, but the Haitian mac and cheese is done. Excuse the mess on the oven, but this is how it looks, my Haitian mac and cheese. And let me go get my daughter up and ready. And sweet girl, did you have a good nap? Let me put something else on her. Hi, cutie pie. Keep the same shirt on. You didn't dirty it, so it's okay. Look who's up from her nap. All right, booby. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna feed you. I know you're hungry. She was having little turkey from my in-laws. She tore that up. I know she was super hungry, but she eats more with me. Like if my husband's feeding her, like she only, I don't know. So let's go ahead and get you your chair and get you something to eat. People like, you still put her in a high chair? Hell yeah. Sorry. Heck yeah, I still put her in a high chair. I just realized I wasn't talking. I was talking, but my microphone was far away from me. But I was saying that I forgot that I have to do, I don't have to, but I bought it for me to do, which is candied yams. And, you know, Haitians don't really care for candied yams, but if someone makes it, like, they'll tear it up. So that's what I'm gonna make. All of this is peeled. Let me rinse these because I want some yams. And I also said I was gonna make some green beans. So I have those here. Luckily, these things don't take long to make, so it's fine. And I'm happy that my daughter is just chilling. She's sitting right now. What the heck just happened? Oh, you know what?
The little girl is putting
I'm like watching the show, and then I guess when the water hit it, it's changed. Okay, Daddy's on his way home. Okay, booby? He should have been home, but you know, he's on his way home now. Guys, I'll see you in a bit.
Here we go. Here we go.
All right, so I'm doing the green beans now. All I gotta do is air fry the bacon so that way I can collect the bacon fat so I can put it in there and then cut up the bacon and put it in there. And then as you guys see, I don't know if I showed you guys, I kind of burnt the sauce to the yams, but it should be okay because it's candied. So it should candied the yams in the oven, and then after that I'll flip it through the sauce. It should be fine. We're running late as always. So my sister texted me and she's like, hey, it started raining because I guess it's supposed to be outdoors. I ain't done. I said, I'm gonna be late. It is what it is. And my daughter just ate. Husband hasn't had it. I let him taste the Haitian mac and cheese and he was like, yeah. I'm gonna hold you. This may sound real cocky to say, but I'm up here when it comes to mac and cheese. Like, there's no one seeing me right now. Nobody's seeing me. And I'm very confident in that. So when my mama tell me and asks me to make mac and cheese and she tell me that I make it better than her at this point, oh yeah, you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. I promise you. This kitchen is a mess. Like if I hosted Thanksgiving, it would have to literally be evening time unless like I start cooking from the morning time, from night prior in the morning, it should be ready. But if they ever ask me to host Thanksgiving, I'm like, I need 2 people to help me. Like I would need Sandy, my sister Sandy. Jennifer too ADHD for me. It had to be Sandy. So, all right, you guys, I will come back once everything is done. I'm about done. The yams are almost out. Cleaning up now. There's so much dishes. Not as much as I thought. Plus, I got some dishes in the dishwasher right now. But, you guys, I am super proud of myself right now. I would put y'all on a tripod, but my tripod, yeah, hold on. I got y'all sitting on my water pot. I'm about to pour the green beans inside the pan. Rinse. This is the green beans. Please excuse the stove. Again, it's just messy, but whatever. I put the pieces of the turkey bacon in here, and yeah, this is how it looks. It has onions, chicken broth, the green beans, turkey bacon, butter, garlic, salt, and pepper. If you guys need a recipe, let me know. If you guys want the recipe to anything that I'm making, please let me know. I'm not a cooking channel, but I'll do like a series, 5-part series of me just cooking different meals, and I'll do that, and that's it. Pour this in. Yeah, I did that. I'll show you guys the yams once it's out. Let's see. I see the steak. The yams look so yummy. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna cut one. Okay. That's good. I'm gonna sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on top, and it's done. And because they changed the time, I am on time. I'm gonna go get ready. Wanna try it? Ooh, is my daughter on one tonight? This is the outfit that I'm wearing with some casual shoes. That thing, biggie. It's really short. Really short. And then I did my makeup. My eyes are watering though. And curled my hair. So my husband already put the food in the car. So let's get ready to go. Don't come for my man. Beautiful beyond compare. Takes more than beauty and seductive stairs to come between a family and a happy man. Jolene, I'm a woman too. The games you play and nothing else. We've been deep in love for 20 years. I raised that man, I raised his kids. I know my man better. And this is the American one. This is John John. Boko Fola. You know when somebody turn up some food and they quiet. Y'all look at ain't even cut. Oh, this. Come on, booby, look, booby, look. I just mixed 2 drinks.
I know because the shadow.
Bomb.
Yeah,
these 2 together? Yeah.
Hold on, man. I'm gonna go on.
Huh? I'm gonna get a closure next time.
Oh yeah, with your hair.
Yeah, cause look, it's frizzed out. Ooh.
I hate my hair too. We're gonna take a group picture before everybody leaves too. Okay. Here, go ahead.
Where's Jennifer? I don't know who she went to go grab. Daddy's here.
10 seconds.
Jennifer, go. Just go. Come on, everybody. It's gonna take 10 photos and keep moving. Don't come for my. We're home. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. It's crazy. We're home. That was great. I love the candle burning. That's crazy. That was a lot of fun. So let's go take a bath and talk to you guys in a few. I just realized I did not come back to talk to you guys after Thanksgiving, but I wanted to kind of close this vlog out and let you guys know that it was perfect. The food was amazing. Me and my sister Sandy, we did majority of the food, and I am very proud with how everything turned out. And I want to do more cooking things like this. Me and my sister are definitely looking forward into like hosting more events like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow, because I know I'm missing a couple of days of Vlogmas, so bear with me.